cheese, Alex. Yes, sir. Here at Higbee, Missouri. The last mud run with this body before we put the other one on it. Cheese.
Cheese.
Ah, you're on video. Ah, you don't need to say cheese.
Yep.
Grandpa, grandpa, grandpa.
Yep, it's so fun.
Oh. 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 Say hi, Mama.
Hi.
We all do. We all do.
Second pass.
Alright, next up is Sammy Bartolacci in Let Her Fly. Alright, that was Sammy Bartolacci with a time of 4.956. Alright, that was Ernie and Waylon with a time of 5.66.
Found more lug nuts. I don't know how they
Next up is Brody Bell in All Red.
Oh look, that's funny. They were in the bed of that truck. I'm surprised they didn't fall out in the pit.
that's a...
With a right hand hood release. It's not dead center.
There you go. That time he got it.
All right, that was Charles with the time of 6.433.
Hey, that's
Yep. Almost had there today, man. It was a fun time. Thankful for everyone that showed up, made it a good event. Thankful for the people that ran the event. Really professional, really great done. We were out of there in 2 hours. That's pretty freaking good if you ask me, considering most of the time you sit up in the sun all day and you burn up. Ran 2 classes. The first time knocked itself out of time. Me and my dad were actually thinking it developed a knock, but it didn't. We pulled it to the side of, because I was up next after my last run, and we pulled it to the side and checked the timing. It knocked itself out of time, and then from there we just kind of worked on the timing, got it together. My second run, way better. Truck went to bog again when I shifted up. I shifted down, perfect. Held third down until they let that old boy run again. Oh well, man, you win some, you lose some. Sometimes you don't win none. It's all part of the game. Oh man, it was a good day. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you at the next one. The next video, you'll see me and my old man. We will be putting that Bronco 2 body we took off the frame onto the white Bronco's frame. And then from there on, I'm not sure if we're gonna pull 302 out because our 496 it's a ways away. It needs to have the block redone. Motor hasn't been ran since 2006. It needs to be gone through. But I have no doubt we could put it in and run it. We just, you know, it ain't worth blowing up a good motor. So, yeah, great day, man. Great day, Higbee, Missouri. And if you ever have time to make it to one of their mud runs, man, do it. It was a great time. Great time. All right, that's it for me. Like, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Peace.